Hey, what is up, guys? What is going on? How's it going? We're back at a snow day here. How fun is it? So if we look at my community section of my YouTube channel, scroll down, I asked you guys what you think I should take for a snow ride, KingQuad 1. So guess we're taking the KingQuad on the ride. Anyways, check out my community section on my channel. You can see a bunch of polls, a bunch of things, you know, just for updates if I'm not posting videos. Make sure to check that out. And also another shout out, I forgot to shout out earlier in some of my videos, but go make sure to check out my second channel, Full Send Travels. I'll link it in the description. I have many videos there. It's not really my off-road channel, it's just my second channel where I post a lot of my travel experiences and skiing as well. So I'm not posting here, go check that out too, because winter is not really a time for vlogs usually. So I guess check that channel out. And holy, KingQuad's snowy. Like, it's snowed up. And like, I mean, I did shovel the driveway, but it's crazy because it's just the snow just comes right back. Like, look how clogged up my shifter is. Like, anyways, yeah, we're taking the KingQuad on a ride, but listen to the sound the tires make when you're going down back. You can kind of hear that. I don't think you can hear it on camera, but it's crazy. Like, you cannot see any grass. No grass. Ah, damn, I gotta respect the smooth engine of this KingQuad. Anyways, I don't want to put in two-wheel drive here just in case I don't want to just kind of, you know, I don't want to completely destroy the doing fine. There's not many cars, but if there is someone, I'd be glad to help someone if they're stuck. That'd be pretty fun. Dang, you can barely even see the gauges. They're getting kind of snowed up. Yeah, she's not sliding that much, but do 180. Oh! There we go, there she goes. Alright, let's go to the back. Ooh, let's see if we can get something out. This is thick. I'm only getting a four-wheel drive just to kind of limit my slip, and so the engine braking works better on all fours. Even though I have dual brake levers, which something nice. Wait, can I do this with two-wheel drive? I mean, KingQuad's got Zillas, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna put my mirror up. But yeah, KingQuad's got some good set of Zillas on there. It's nice. Zillas all around. You can already see how snowy she's getting, but yeah, let's see if a two-wheel drive is gonna make it. Oh crap, it's already barely doing it. Oh, it's going, it's going. Come on, just a little bit. Oh crap, no. Dang it. She kind of struggled on that. Anyways, let's see if this is alright. This is never frozen. Besides, it's not really even that cold. It's a wash, yeah. Oh crap, now my tires are going to be gone now. Power steering would be nice to have. My Grizzly does way better, but I'm not sure about it in the snow. I'm not sure what the Grizzly's power steering would be like in the snow, because I haven't driven it in this deep of snow. Next time I'll get a chance, I'll get the Grizzly out, but dang! Like, I've never really complained about the KingQuad not having power steering, but dang, like, now that I've driven the Grizzly with power steering, it's hard to go back. I'd love to see how Suzuki's power steering also is. Alright, I'm not going to go up this way, because this is a... Yeah, I'll go up this way. This way should make it up, especially since I already, okay. I already went up this. Come on. Yeah, I've heard that Zillas aren't great in the snow. Come on. I'm not giving her a ton of gas. I guess when I go out on the driveway, I can put it back in too. Oh, yeah. Dang. Yeah, I made a little mess. Haha. But anyways, if you heard, I don't know if you can tell, but I do not have my GoPro microphone. And so did I not have it in my last video, which is really because, you know, I'm only riding around my yard. I'm not going to be really going fast. So there's not going to be a need to need it, because my voice can be heard pretty well. So, are my tires caked up? No, see, they're not. See, this is why, you know, going mudding isn't so bad when you have snow, because the snow's just going to get all the mud right off. Because, you know, water's sticky. Water sticks. Oh, this is so fun. Like, look at all the snow. KingQuad's gathering up. I'll go back up. Here it shouldn't even really leave any tracks. Well, it kind of does, but it's no big deal. It doesn't. Oh. It's hard to realize just how much of a difference four-wheel drive quads make. Especially when you got a good old Suzuki with like diff lock and stuff like that. Over in two. See if everyone's doing all right. If anyone's stuck. Oh crap! This thing might have to shove it forward. All right, let's see. If anyone's stuck, I can help. Just scan the area. No, doesn't seem like it. Here is a big hill. Everyone's doing fine, because, you know, people have gotten even stuck on this road up here. Oh my god, dude. A lot of snow. Whew. Yikes. Yeah, this is fun. Definitely not like that time with my Grizzly where I went up and drove around in the snow. Four-wheel drive Tacoma should be all right. Yeah. Just want to make sure everyone's okay. Everyone's doing good. Come on. Yeah. gosh! That is how full front brake works. Full front brake, the tires just slide. Wow. How do both brakes do? Yeah, like look how much I slide. This is actually insane. Like you really gotta be careful sometimes because even with like mud tires, pretty dang good. These mud tires are near very good, like, but I don't know why they don't do good in snow. They should. Oh my gosh, look at the tires, they're caked up in snow. Woo. Oh, she's having a lot of fun, I can tell you that for sure. Definitely for sure, she's having fun. She's like absolutely covered in the snow from head to toe, or handlebars to bearings. Like, look at the trees. Like, this is a lot of snow. Like, for y'all Alaskans and people in Maine, Vermont, Adirondacks even, like New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania area does not get this much snow usually. This is by far the largest snowfall we've gotten since 2021. Well, actually no, it's not even the largest, but yeah, ever since basically 2021, the largest snowfall we've got. Like, this one is huge. Like, we don't usually get 6 inches of snow. That's unheard of for us. Can't imagine how this car would do in like 6 inches. I mean, sorry, like a foot. I know y'all Alaskans are doing foot of snow, but there y'all got snowmobiles and tracks. Yeah, like this one channel I've seen on YouTube, and also this one channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I'll just give you a shout out even though you didn't ask for it. But Broke Necks Alaska, thank you so much for subscribing. I know you're in Alaska, you use trucks on your Can-Am. You know, you don't use tires in the snow because you know, there's just no need, and you're probably not going to do well. I mean, in Alaska there's a lot of snow, you're not going to get far with just tires, even if they're like Zilla mud tires. Generally don't get far. Let's take the little muddy section. Oh crap, that's a lot of snow. I mean, it's really not cold enough for all the mud to freeze. Did I get the mud off? Yeah, it's really on the sides mostly. So I'm just gonna take go another way. So I'll try to go through as much snow. Some of the mud off. Yeah, a little bit over here just to get the mud off. Ooh. Yeah, there's like the big crunchy noises when you go through the snow. Such deep snow. Oh, there are the birds eating. Yeah, they don't have much to see. They don't have much to eat. You got to drive safe in these conditions because You don't know what you'll meet. You don't know what you'll get yourself into. Why is it better? Just to everyone's fine. It's awesome engine braking. I mean, the engine braking on this he isn't harsh, but it isn't like very low and flat. It's perfect. The best engine braking system I've ever seen. Make sure I'm going fine. Alright. Make sure there's no one else. I may just leave it here and see if someone else needs help. May just help. Dang. I've already been recording for almost 20 minutes. Dang. Oh, I might kind of end for now. We'll see you soon.